Hello friends, myself SUBHASH NAGARSE from Sri Digambar JAIN GURUKUL High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 8th Mathematics. The topic is Compound Interest Part 2. In this session we are going to discuss the practice set 14.1. Friends, in the previous session of this Compound Interest Part 1st, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter, and those are simple interest, formula for the simple interest, compound interest, formula for this compound interest. In this session, we are going to discuss with the practice set 14.1. Friends, before going to discuss with the problems from this practice set 14.1, let us recall and remember the important formulas that are related to this topic, that is compound interest. Before that, we know that simple interest could be given like this: amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Means simple interest can be also written as with symbolic form A is equal to P plus SI, or second, SI is equal to P into R into N upon 100. Third formula, P is equal to 100 into SI upon R into N. Fourth one, R is equal to 100 into SI upon P into N. Fifth formula, N is equal to 100 into SI upon P into R. Similarly, for the compound interest, we can write compound interest is equal to amount minus principal, that is CI is equal to A minus P, or the amount can be calculated A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So friends, these are very important formulas you have to remember as well as recall while solving the problems. Now continue with the practice set 14.1. So first problem we will discuss. Find the amount and the compound interest. This is the table given wherein the three problems are given. Principal, rate and duration are given. We have to find out the amount and compound interest. Let us consider this first problem, wherein we know that here P is equal to rupees 2000, R is equal to 5 PCPA, and N is equal to 2 years, and CI is equal to, we have to find out, A also we have to find out. We have A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N, which could be, now we will substitute the values. We are getting 2000 into bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 2. So friends, we will simplify this bracket, multiply 1 by 100. So we are getting 2000 into bracket 100 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 2. We will add the numerator. Therefore, we are getting A is equal to 2000 into bracket 105 upon 100 raised to 2. This 105 and 100 could be splitted in this way. 2000 into bracket 21 into 5 and 20 into 5. 5 get cancels. In the next step, you are getting 2000 into bracket 21 upon 20 raised to 2. So friends, A is equal to 2000 into bracket 441, that is the square of the 21, and 400 square of the 20. So after simplifying 5 into 441, and that leads to A is equal to rupees 2205. Friends, but we know that CI is equal to amount minus principal. So put the values 2205 minus 2000. So that will give CI is equal to 205 rupees. So friends, the amount is rupees 2205 and the compound interest is rupees 205. Let us consider this second problem, wherein here P is equal to rupees 5000, R is equal to 8 PCPA, and N is equal to 3 years. A and CI we have to calculate. Friends, we know that A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now we will substitute the values. 5000 into bracket 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to 3. Again 5000 into bracket 100, this multiply plus 8 upon 100 raised to 3. So A can be written as A is equal to 5000 into bracket 108 upon 100 raised to 3. So 5000 into bracket 27 into 4 upon 25 into 4 raised to 3. Again we will simplify 5000 into bracket 27 upon 25 raised to 3. 4 get cancels. Next step will be A is equal to 5000 into 27 upon 25 into 27 upon 25 into 27 upon 25. So here after simplification we are getting 8 upon 25 into 27 into 27 into 27. So I can simplify A is equal to 0.32 into 19683. The product of this will give you the value of A, which is equal to 6298.56. But friends, CI is amount minus principal. Now we'll substitute the values. So you are getting CI is equal to 6298.56 minus 5000. So that leads to CI is equal to rupees 1298.56. Friends, therefore the amount is rupees 6298.56, and whereas compound interest is rupees 1298.56. I think you got this one. Let us continue with the problem number 3. Here P is equal to rupees 4000 and R is equal to 7.5 PCP. N is equal to 2 years and CI we have to calculate. Friends, A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N, that we know. Now we will put the values 4000 into bracket 1 plus 7.5 upon 100 raised to 2, which will be 4000 into bracket 1 plus 75 upon 1000 raised to 2, 7.5 multiply numerator and divided by 10 in order to remove this point sign. Therefore, A is equal to 4000 into bracket 1000 plus 75 upon 1000 raised to 2. So after simplification, 4000 into bracket 1075 upon 1000 raised to 2. This can be written as 4000 into bracket 43 into 25 upon 40 into 25 raised to 3 or 2. Therefore, A is equal to 4000 into bracket 43 upon 40 raised to 2. Again, 4000 into 43 upon 40 into 43 upon 40. So friends, you are getting here the simplification 2.5 into 43 into 43. Therefore, A is equal to rupees 4622.50 is the answer for this. But we know that CI is equal to amount minus principal. We will put the values. Therefore, CI is equal to can be written 4622.50 minus 4000. So that will give you CI as a rupees 622.50. Friends, the amount is rupees 4622.50 and the compound interest is rupees 622.50. Now we'll see the problem number 2. Samir Rao has taken a loan of rupees 12500 at a rate of 12 PCPA for 3 years. If the interest is compounded annually, then how many rupees should he pay to clear this loan? Friends, here we are getting that P is equal to rupees 12,500, rupees 12 is the PCPA, and N is equal to 3 years. A, we know that A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. I will put the values that has been here given. So 12,500 into bracket 1 plus 12 upon 100 raised to 3. So 1 to 500, this bracket could be written as 100 plus 12 upon 100 raised to 3. Therefore, friends, A is equal to 1 to 500 into bracket 112 upon 100 raised to 3. Therefore, we can write 12,500 into bracket 28 into 4 upon 25 into 4 raised to 3. 4 get cancelled, so 12,500 into 28 upon 25 raised to 3. Therefore, we can write again after simplification that 20 upon 25 into 28 into 28 into 28. Simplify this, we are getting this one. Therefore, A is equal to 0.8 into 28 into 28 into 28. The value of A can be getting rupees 17561.60. The product of all these three. Therefore, Samir Rao should pay rupees 17561.60 to clear his loan. Now we'll continue with problem number 3. To start a business, Shalaka has taken a loan of rupees 8,000 at a rate of 10 integer 1 by 2, that is 10.5 PCPA. After 2 years, how much compound interest we'll see how to pay. Friends, here you could see that P is rupees 8,000, N is 2 years, and CI we have to calculate, where R is given 10 integer half %, that is 21 upon 2, 10.5 PCPA. We know that A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now we'll put the values, which could be 8,000 into bracket 1 plus 10.5 upon 100 raised to 2. So therefore A is equal to 8,000 into bracket 1 plus 105 upon 1000. Here the point sign is 10.5. Numerator and denominator multiplied by 10. Therefore you are getting 105 upon 1000 raised to 2. So friends, we will next step will be 8,000 into bracket 1000 plus 105 upon 1000 raised to 2. Therefore A is equal to 8000 into bracket 1105 upon 1000 raised to 2. Again 8000 into bracket 2 to 1 into 5 upon 200 into 5 raised to 2. Therefore A is equal to 8000 into bracket 2 to 1 upon 200 raised to 2. This can be written as 8000 into 221 upon 200 into 221 upon 200. Simplify this one, you are getting 1 upon 5 into 221 into 221. Therefore, here it can 0.5 into 48841. So the product of this will be age equal to 9768.20. Friends, we know that CI is equal to amount minus principal. Put the values. So 9768.20 minus 8000. So that leads you the CI value as CI is equal to rupees 1768.20. So friends, after 2 years, Shalaka will have to pay rupees 1768.20 as a compound interest. Very easy problems. Practice them. Now friends, what we have been discussed today in this session is compound interest. Formula for this compound interest. Problems from the practice set 14.1. Friends, will you try these problems? Find the amount if rupees 20,000 is invested at a 10% per annum for 3 years. Find the compound interest if rupees 1,000 was contributed for 1.5 year at 20% PCPE. A principal of rupees 2,000 is placed in a saving account at 3% per annum compounded annually. How much is the account after 1 year, 2 years and 3 years? The compound interest on rupees 30,000 at 7% per annum is rupees 4347. Find the period. At what percent per annum will 3,000 accounts to 3993 in a 3 year if the interest is compounded annually? Friends, you should not forget the famous words of Steve Jobs, and those are: if you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision will pull you. Very nice wording for you. If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends and like it. And don't forget to press the bell icon in order to have a notification of the next videos. With these words, I would like to say thank you.